Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I want to talk to you about some of the Access books I am offering, the ones that I have. So if you like any of these, you can order them through me. The first one is Embodiment, the manual you should have been given when you were born, by Dr. Dain Heer. So this is our first book that we have. And then next book is Getting Out of Debt Joyfully by Simone Milasas. These are all in English. Okay, next one. Okay, the rest are Turkish ones. So these two, and also I have one more book. I'll just get it for you. Yes, Divorceless Relationships. What if you didn't have to divorce for you to be in a relationship? So this is also by Gary Douglas and Dr. Dain Heer. So these are the three books I have, and I am located in Turkey. So if you choose to buy any of them, if you're interested, you can buy them through me. Or I can give you a link which is sold on the internet on my bookshop. Nice to connect with you, and I also want to tell you that I'm also offering Access Bars workshops wherever I am. At the moment I'm in Izmir, and soon I may be going to Istanbul. So all the places I go to, I will be offering these in person, and the rest of the workshops can be done online. I also do body workshops, Access body workshops, which are 1 day long, and you can learn 2 processes within 1 day, or you can also take them as a private session. What else is possible? What else do I offer in Access? I also offer SOP sessions, private sessions, and also small group sessions if you choose to have a group session. This is also a very powerful way of transformation, whatever your issue may be. What else is possible? And I also offer workshops in many different things. Any blockages that you may have. If you don't see any of the titles that you're interested in, please text me in an issue that you want to resolve, and we can do it as a workshop or as a private session. And looking forward to meeting you somewhere around the globe sometime. Have a nice day. Bye.